Let's talk about 10 surprising reasons gardening is way more powerful than you think. 1. Your immune system gets a gentle workout. Playing in the dirt introduces your body to helpful microbes, like giving your immune system a chill mentor instead of a drill sergeant. Touch the soil for 5 minutes. 1 pot, 1 scoop, then wash up. 2. You get better at making everyday decisions. Gardening is practice for micro-choices: where to place, when to water, when to wait. That decision muscle grows with reps. Pick 1 plant and choose just 1 variable to tweak this week: water. Light, pot size. 3. You sleep more deeply. Daylight, light movement, and a natural rhythm tell your brain, hey, bedtime is coming. Step outside to water at the same time each day. 2 minutes. Consistency beats duration. 4. You feel more in control. When you nurture a seed and it responds, you get evidence that your actions matter, especially on tough days. Grow something fast like basil. Radishes. 5. It relaxes your mind without effort. Repetitive motions, digging, watering, pruning, quiet mental noise by giving your brain a simple, satisfying job. Set a 3-minute timer and pull weeds until it rings. Stop when it dings. 6. Your brain gets better at visual thinking. You start to see where shadows move, how roots expand, which colours balance your spatial skills. Level up without worksheets. Sketch your garden or balcony on a sticky note. Boxes and arrows are enough. 7. It breaks negative thought loops. Hands in soil plus fresh air equals fewer spirals. Your attention returns to texture, scent, and the next small step. Whenever you catch a loop, touch a leaf and name 3 things you feel or smell. 8. Seasons feel more meaningful. Spring becomes anticipation, summer becomes abundance, fall turns into reset, and winter becomes planning and rest. Create a 1-line seasonal ritual. First warm day, plant peas. Put it in your calendar. 9. Food starts tasting better. When you grow it, flavours get louder. You notice sweet, peppery, crisp, the nuances your brain usually skips. Grow 1 snackable plant you'll actually eat off the stem: cherry tomatoes. Sugar, snap peas. Strawberries. 10. It helps keep your mind sharp as you age. Gardening blends movement, planning, memory and creativity, a brain gym that doesn't feel like a gym. Label plants. Later, quiz yourself without peeking. Small memory reps, big dividends. Gardening offers more than just plants. It boosts your mind, creativity and well-being. Give it a try and see the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching.